Hey y'all, welcome back to Carla's Craft and Charm. I'm coming on today with a small Dollar Tree haul from my trip to Florida. I was gone the past few days, past 5 days or so. I'm filming this video on Monday, July the 27th, and I wanted to share with you the things I picked up while I was gone, and to also announce the winner of my 500 subscriber giveaway. I appreciate everyone entered. And before I do that, I just wanted to share with you real quick that I did finish right before I left these crayon journals. I've got them stuffed full. I've got a nice little ephemera pack with them, and you can find some photos of those in the Etsy listings. I just wanted to share those with you real quick at the start of this video so you could kind of see what those are about. So if you're interested, I'll link my Etsy shop below, and you can go check out that listing for those. I want to go ahead and announce the winner of my 500 subscriber giveaway. I appreciate everyone that entered. Your support means so much to me. Thank you for all the comments. I take everything that you said very much under advisement so that I can hopefully give you what you're looking for. So the winner, I did do this off camera just because I have so much going on. I'm so busy, but I didn't want to delay getting up this video. The winner is Calcath, Calkath. I will link you and put my email in the description below so that you can contact me and claim your prize. I did pull a couple of backups in case I did not hear from her. Hopefully I will, so I can get a package all done up and sent out to her before the week is over with. So thank you so much, and I hope that you will enjoy everything that I send to you. And then the last thing that I have to share with you today are just some things I picked up when I was actually in the Fort Lauderdale, Florida area this past week. And I went to a couple of different Dollar Trees down there. I also stopped by one Dollar Tree when I got home. And unfortunately, the prices in my area have gone up. I did not notice that when I was in Florida, so I'm not sure when that took effect. I think it may have happened this weekend, so perhaps I hit the Florida location before the prices increased, but my prices have gone up. So while I was in Florida, I picked up these flashcards. I already have some of these, but I really like these a lot. I have too many flashcards. I did not need these, but I love that these are solid because you don't see that a lot. I'm going to open these up and give you a look in case you don't know. I don't see these a lot in my Dollar Tree. It's nice that they're sealed. You also don't see that very often, so that way you know you're getting a full pack. The backs of these are really nice. Almost look kind of like a paint chip look. And they have the colors, so you get a solid, and then you get this variegated look, and then you get a plain white. So these are what the backs look like. It's just all of them are the same. I love those variegated ones. And they are matte. The back side is going to be shiny, and you're going to have colors associated with images, and then you're going to have these variegated cards as well. So I just really love these cards for this. And I also really enjoy these, but I like the matte side better than I do the glossy side. So if you haven't seen these, check them out. It's not my favorite. You could use it. You could definitely use a solid color. But they're super cute. They do feel like they've gotten a little bit thinner since I bought them before. And they're pretty big, these. Pretty tall. So these are going to measure about 5 1/4 by 3. Love that one. So cute. So if you see them and you're interested, you could grab those. But yeah, I do think that they've definitely gotten a little bit thinner. So pick those up. Those are manufactured by the Clever Factory Inc. So I don't think that's a green. I don't think that's a Dollar Tree brand, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and then I also picked up when I was in Florida, and I've never seen in my local stores, these all-purpose reusable wipes. I've seen a lot of people haul 25 pieces, and I think I heard that you can wash these, if I'm not mistaken. I would have to, maybe not, but let's see how thick they are. I don't know if you could throw that in the wash. Has anyone had... It says, tear off roll, quickly absorbs, cleans all surfaces, strong, durable, washable. So, has anybody had success? This is a Scrub Buddies. I like the size. With washing these up and reusing these, let me know in the comments below. But I had to pick these up because, like I said, I've never seen these in my local stores. And then I picked up one thing from a local area over there. I'm clanking around. I picked up this Big Ideas book, and I really liked that the inside of this was color. And this, because it is a signature staple in the middle, you could take it and use it and just put that in your book. So I like that a lot. This is going to measure, it's the only one I saw. It's going to measure 5.5 by 8.5. So I wish I would have seen some more of these in some different colorways. I'm going to keep my eye out. But I liked that a lot. That's a Crown Jewels product. I'd have to look and see if it was $1.25 or not. Honestly, I don't have my receipt handy. And then I was so fortunate, y'all, because I've been looking for this. I found another one of these. Y'all saw me haul this before. I put my larger beads in it because I was increasing my bead stash. And I had looked everywhere in my area and could not find one. And they had several down there. So if you're in the Fort Lauderdale area, I couldn't tell you where that store was, but they probably had 15 of these. It was crazy. But I like that you can put the bigger beads in here. I don't use big beads a lot, but I have purchased some more for my dangles. That's what I use beads for. So I was super excited to find this. It was $5, and it was in the teaching educational aisle. And then when I got home, I stopped by a local Dollar Tree, and I didn't see much there, but I did see, y'all, it was the last one of this cute little girl ghost. She's so cute. She's a little beat up, but it doesn't bother me. I don't mind it. She's got a little paint off there, but y'all, that is so cute. She's like a little standing bobble ghost, but I love that. Too cute. And I think it was $1.75 it was either $1.50 or $1.75 in my store. And then the last thing I got was, as I was checking out, I had looked for these when I was there, and as I was checking out, I saw a box with, I think I only left 2 in there, with these little, I've seen people haul these little Gotcha Glimmers, Candy Craze, and I was like, oh my goodness, I gotta get these. So I got one of every color that I saw. These were $1.75 in my store, and they're so cute, y'all. I just had to pick them up. There are some beads in here, but they are very small beads. Most of what I saw in here were flat backs. And so this is the pink set that I got. And I understand that they're different. And even some of mine are different. But there are some beads you can see. But they're smaller beads down here in the bottom. Like this is a flat back. This little cherry with the bow is a flat back. We've got this glitter butterfly, this pretty flower, and this cute little pearly looking bow. And then on the charm, you've got this star and this little gummy bear. So that was the pink. And then we had the purple. Again, you get the star and the gummy bear on all of them. So this one has a little wand looking flower, a cute yellow bow cherry, this little like candy piece, and this heart. And then we get another one of those blue bows in the back. You get a little bit of sequins in there. I don't want to open it up, y'all, because I may use it in some Etsy purchases or some Happy Mail. This one has a red. I'm trying to see if that's a bead. I don't see a hole. Yeah, a bead in there, which is kind of odd. So we got the purple, and then I got the yellow. Same thing here, and my yellow one has this. So we've got a pretty yellow flower, a candy sucker, a little star with some glitter in it, a yellow candy, and then we've got that same little blue bow, and some beads and some sequins down in there. There's a little shell here too, if you can see that, a little sequin shell. That's kind of cute. Okay, and then we've got the blue. There's your star and gummy bear. This one has a little sucker with, looks like cat ears on there, which is cute. This other one, the yellow one, didn't have the cat ears. We have a piece of candy in here, and then this one has a little, if you see that piece of candy with some white on it, a little pack that says sweet. Looks like a little candy pack. We've got a cherry with the bow. And then this one does not have the little pearlized button in it. And then the last one I picked up is the green one. That was all I saw at my store. I don't know if there was more. I only left about 2 or 3. And this one has a little candy with white dots, a flower, a sucker with a bow, and this pretty little butterfly. That's really pretty. It's got green glitter on the bottom and yellow on the top. And we have the little pearlized ribbon in there, little bow. But you can see that these are flat backs. So I will say that these are sealed. You can shut them back, but if you notice here, they are sealed. So I did make sure all mine were sealed and weren't missing anything. But I just thought these were the cutest things, y'all. So that's going to do it for my Dollar Tree haul today. Thank you so much for joining me. I know this was super quick. I did go to the bins while I was in Florida. I went to the Miami and the Fort Lauderdale bins, so I'll be doing a video on that. I didn't find tons, but I always like to share with y'all what I got because it's just so much fun to go to the bins. I don't have one near me, so I can only go when I travel. And Cal Cath, I'll be looking forward to hearing from you at Cal Cath. And I'll link you in this video as well. Thank y'all so much for joining me. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.